Welcome to Travel Lantern. Nestled on the eastern side of the Big Island of Hawaii, at 4,000 feet above sea level, Mount Kilauea stands as one of the world's most active and captivating volcanoes. Kilauea has a rich and storied history of eruptions that have shaped the land and captivated the world. Dating back thousands of years, its volcanic activity has been both destructive and transformative. One of the most notable eruptions in modern history began in 1983 and lasted until 2018, creating new land and reshaping the southeastern part of the island. This eruption was characterized by lava flows that consumed entire communities. The eruption also created the vast expanse of land known as the Pu'u cone, where lava fountains and rivers flowed for years, drawing visitors and scientists alike. For the indigenous Hawaiians, Kilauea holds immense cultural significance. The volcano is believed to be the home of Pele, the Hawaiian goddess of fire and volcanoes. According to Hawaiian mythology, Pele is both a creator and a destroyer, and her presence within Kilauea is a powerful reminder of the cycle of life and death. Kilauea offers visitors a chance to witness the incredible sight of glowing lava as it meets the ocean, creating towering steam plumes and new land formations. The volcanic landscape is marked by rugged lava fields, lava tubes, and other geological formations that showcase the power and beauty of the Earth's natural forces. A visit to Hawaii is not complete without a trip to the Big Island to see Kilauea and all its glory. Here are the top 15 things to do when you make your visit. 1. Explore Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site encompasses not only the active Kilauea volcano but also the massive Mauna Loa volcano. It offers visitors a chance to witness the dynamic nature of volcanic activity, explore unique landscapes, hike through lava fields, and learn about the rich geological and cultural history of the Hawaiian Islands. 2. Visit the Jagger Museum. Located within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, the Jagger Museum provides fascinating exhibits on volcanology, showcasing volcanic rocks, interactive displays, and a seismograph monitoring real-time volcanic activity. The museum also offers stunning overlooks where visitors can witness the glow of the Halemaumau crater, home to the lava lake of Kilauea. 3. Hike the Kilauea Trail. This popular hiking trail takes you through a rainforest and across the solidified lava lake of Kilauea, providing a unique opportunity to traverse a volcanic landscape. The trail offers breathtaking views and a close-up look at the remnants of past eruptions, including steam vents and lava formations. 4. Witness the Thurston Lava Tube. Venture into the Thurston Lava Tube, a natural tunnel formed by lava flows, and immerse yourself in this fascinating underground world. Walking through the tube gives visitors a glimpse into the powerful forces that shape the island, with its dripping stalactites and eerie atmosphere. 5. Drive the Chain of Craters Road. Crater Rim Drive is a scenic road encircling the summit caldera of Kilauea volcano within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Along the drive, there are several noteworthy hiking trails and points of interest. Explore the Devastation Trail to witness the aftermath of the 1959 eruption. Visit the Kilauea Caldera Overlook for panoramic views of the ever-changing summit. Experience the geothermal activity at the steam vents, and marvel at the colorful mineral deposits at the sulfur banks. Don't miss the Pu'u Overlook, offering views of the impressive Cinder Cone and the Waldron Ledge, providing vistas of the Kilauea crater. For a moderate hike, venture to the summit of Pu'u Cinder Cone. 6. Visit the Punalu'u Black Sand Beach. Punalu'u Black Sand Beach, situated on the southeastern coast of the Big Island of Hawaii, is a stunning beach known for its black sands, created by volcanic activity. Along with its natural beauty, the beach holds cultural significance, as legend warns against taking its sand to avoid invoking the wrath of the volcano goddess, Pele. Visitors can enjoy the picturesque scenery, observe the resting Hawaiian green sea turtles, and explore the tide pools. The beach is easily accessible from Highway 11, making it a popular stop for travelers exploring the area. 7. Take a helicopter tour. For a breathtaking aerial view of Kilauea, consider taking a helicopter tour. Soar above the volcano, witness the vast lava fields, and capture incredible photographs of the volcanic landscape. 8. Attend a ranger program. Check the schedule for ranger-led programs and guided walks offered within the national park. Learn from experts about the geological and cultural significance of Kilauea while gaining a deeper understanding of its unique features. 9. Visit the Volcano Winery. Indulge in a delightful wine tasting experience at the Volcano Winery. Sample wines made from local fruits, such as macadamia nuts and passion fruit, and savor the flavors while enjoying the scenic surroundings. 10. Take a lava boat tour if available. Depending on the volcanic activity and safety conditions, consider taking a lava boat tour. Witness the dramatic lava flows as they meet the ocean, creating spectacular steam plumes and new land formations. 11. Explore the Pu'u petroglyphs. Take a short hike along the Pu'u Trail within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park to discover a sacred site adorned with thousands of ancient petroglyphs etched into lava rock. These intricate carvings offer a glimpse into the spiritual and cultural history of the Hawaiian people. 12. Take a lava viewing tour if available. Depending on the volcanic activity and safety conditions, you may have the opportunity to take a guided lava viewing tour. Witness the mesmerizing sight of molten lava flowing down the volcano and learn about the geological processes at play. 13. Embark on a nighttime lava viewing adventure. Experience the extraordinary sight of the glowing lava under the cover of darkness. Join a guided nighttime lava viewing adventure and witness the surreal beauty of the lava illuminating the night sky. You can also do some stargazing while you are out at night. Given its remote location and limited light pollution, the area around Kilauea offers excellent conditions for stargazing. 14. Explore Akaka Falls State Park. Akaka Falls State Park, situated along the northeastern coast of the Big Island, is renowned for its magnificent waterfalls and lush rainforest. The park's main attraction is the awe-inspiring Akaka Falls, plunging for 42 feet or 135 meters into a gorge. Visitors can explore the accessible Akaka Falls Loop Trail, which offers panoramic views of both Akaka Falls and Kahuna Falls, surrounded by a vibrant rainforest. 15. Do all the things you have to do while in Hawaii. Visit the Punalu'u macadamia nut farm. Go to the Hawaii Tropical Botanical Garden. Go on a snorkeling adventure. Check out the Kapoho tide pools. Attend a luau. Relax on a beautiful beach and play in the warm, clear water. Hapuna Beach is the most popular. If you want a more secluded option, check out Makalawina Beach located on the Kona coast. You have to take a short hike, about 25 minutes, or drive in a four-wheel drive vehicle. But it will be worth it to get to the pristine white sands, turquoise waters, and picturesque lava rock formations. We hope you get the chance to see this natural wonder in person. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like as it really helps our channel. Take a look at the description for more information. Click on the video on the left to explore another volcano, or click the video on the right to start a new adventure. Happy travels!